How to customize lock screen on your Google Pixel 8 running the latest Android 16 version. So if you have any Pixel device running the Android 16 beta 2 version, you can customize it using this video. When you lock your phone, you can see the lock screen clock style, lock screen app shortcut, lock screen wallpaper, temperature details. So if you want to change this lock screen clock style, tap and hold the blank space on home screen on your latest Pixel device running the Android 16 beta version. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Now swipe to see the lock screen option on your device. In the latest Android 16, you can see the new option add. Tap on a more wallpapers. Here you can see the live effect add to the latest version. Now scroll, make sure select the lock screen. Here you can see the all detail. Like you can change lock screen clock style, lock screen app shortcut, notification on lock screen, and a more lock screen setting. So stay and connect with the end. I will show all the details. So first tap on the wallpapers on my device. Here you can select live effect to any wallpaper from your device if you want to select your photo. So also create AI wallpaper or emoji workshop or select the default category wallpaper. So here we select the default category wallpaper on my device, like we select the earth photo on my device. Now tap on the next button. Here we select the lock screen option only. Tap on apply. Now apply wallpaper lock screen on my Google Pixel device. You can see how it looks. Now let's see next. Here is the lock screen clock style. Now we change it. Lock screen clock style and lock screen clock color also. So tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Swipe to see the lock screen. Now swipe up and tap the clock option. Now here you can see the list of different clock style for your lock screen. So select the clock style you want. So here we select this clock style on my device. At the bottom you can see the color option. So tap on it. So here you can set the color, like we select green color. You can also increase or decrease the brightness of our clock. Here you can see how it looks. Tap on a size. Here you can see the large size. If you select the small, you can see it. So here we select the large size. Now tap on apply button at the top right corner to apply lock screen clock. Now apply the lock screen clock. Now lock your phone and you can see the new lock screen clock style. Now Google Pixel 8, another Pixel device running the latest Android 16. Now we change the lock screen app shortcut also. Here you can see the QR code scanner and a flashlight. So we change it by again go to shortcut. Here you can see select the left shortcut. Available option is do not disturb, home, QR code, camera, flashlight. So here we select the home button and the left shortcut. If you don't select the non option. If you don't want to show any shortcut on the lock screen, select the shortcut you want, like we select the camera button here. Now tap on the right shortcut on your device, this. Tap on apply button. Now tap on a shortcut. Here you can see the left shortcut and right shortcut. So in left shortcut we select the mute button. Now right shortcut, tap on a video camera. Now tap on a apply button. Now go to the lock screen and you can see changes both the left shortcut and right shortcut as a camera or a video camera on my Google Pixel device. Now again tap and hold the blank space on home screen, wallpaper and style. Swipe the screen like lock screen. Now tap on a notification on lock screen. In the latest Android 16, you can see the notification. If you want to show the all the details of your message notification, you can select the full list. Otherwise, you can select the compact view. In the compact view, you only show the application icon you receive the notification. Let's see if available any in the lock screen. Currently isn't available any notification on my lock screen, so I can't see. So if you want to see the all full details with the message notification, select the full list. So you can see this type of list including message notification also. If you want to hide the notification, only show the app icon, select the compact view on your latest Android 16 version on your Pixel devices. At the bottom you can see three options what to show on a lock screen. So view notification icon, so silent notification, so sensitive content. So you can toggle it on or off you want on your device. The last one is the more lock screen settings. Here you can find the different lock screen setting, what to show or when to show. So this first of all is the notification lock screen, we already show. Second is the add user from the lock screen, so you can add user, new user from your lock screen also. Add text on a lock screen. This is a very helpful feature. You can add your contact number. If you want to forgot your phone, someone contact you using this number if you want. So this is very helpful feature. It will show on the lock screen when you tap on a save. When you lock your phone, and you can see at the bottom add the text you add on your device like this. Here you can see the best useful tips. So you can also add contact number. So if you forgot your phone, so that person will contact you from your lock screen also. So very helpful feature. Quick setting. Next feature की wallpaper and style. Go to lock screen. Go to lock screen setting. Use device control without unlocking your phone. So if your device is locked, you can use your device control when lock your device. Like here my phone is locked, so you can use this device control. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it, lock your phone, and you can access it without device control on your device. We already select left shortcut or right shortcut on my. There's the dynamic clock size change according to the lock screen content, so it will automatically adjust the clock on your lock screen. This is a now playing feature that will helpful to easily identify the song playing nearby you. So we already make a video on this, so you can find it in the link in the description and the I button at the top, so you can check full how to quickly identify song playing nearby you using this now playing feature. And this one is the AOD feature. Tap to check phone. So just to check the time, notification and other, just tap on your screen to toggle on this option. If you want to use this feature, leap to check phone, so you need to leap like this phone on your device to check the notification and other info. And the last wake screen for a notification. So whenever you receive any notification, it will automatically turn on your screen or notification on your device. So if you don't want to see the screen turn on when you receive notification, just toggle up it to turn off the lock screen notification or turn off the notification when you wake up the screen on your device. So this is the all available lock screen settings on the latest Google Pixel 8 device running the Android 16 version. You can also apply all these settings to your Pixel 9 device, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and other Pixel device running the Android 16 beta version. So which one is your favorite feature in the lock screen customization settings? Do you like this default clock style on a Google Pixel device, or do you want to set a custom lock screen clock style? Please comment in the below box. And don't forget to share your favorite Google Pixel features in the comment box. That's it. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.